All right, this is a coin market cap. Coin market cap is like a marketplace, crypto marketplace where you go to carry out your, analysis on any token or coin before investing your funds on it. Okay, so that's how coin market cap is. It's an app and it's a marketplace where you make your findings, your fundamental analysis about any token before investing your money. Are you getting to avoid honeypot or pop and dump? Okay, so that the developers will not use you as an exit liquidity. Now, why am I here on this coin market cap? I want to show you some important things, how to, be able to get or track tokens that will be able to do well in this bull run 2025. Okay, so let's go. Welcome back, guys. Let's dive into coin market cap now. All right. If you come here to where we have trending, okay, this trending, under this trend, if you click on this trending now, you will see tokens or coin that are trending right now. Let's click on it. Let me click. Okay, it's already clicked. So all these coins, though the market is down, we know that the crypto market or cryptocurrency industry is being controlled by fundamentals. It's being controlled by news. Okay, negative news has effect or impact on the crypto industry, while positive news has an impact also. When there's a positive news, the market tends to go bullish. When there's a negative news, the market tends to go bearish. So under this trending, these are the tokens you can carry out your analysis. This one is pork. Okay, you see this one, you see this one, you see this one, you see this one. So you can carry out analysis, your own fundamental analysis on each of these projects. But yes, before investing your money, these are tokens that are trending right now. They are trending tokens on board right now. Now the next one is most visited. This, if you click on this most visited, any token under this most visited are tokens that people mostly visit to make a research before they invest their money, to avoid story that touches the heart. Now let's click on this most visited and see the tokens under it. Okay, this is how to carry out fundamental analysis before investing your money. These are tokens under most visited. Are you seeing it? These are tokens under most visited. Number one is BTC, Solana, SU, Ethereum, Tau, XRP, that is Ripple, ADA, and the rest of it. Okay, these are tokens that people mostly visited to make research. They want to invest their money, they want to buy and hold in their wallet for the bull run 2025. Okay, then the next one is upcoming. If you click on this upcoming, you see upcoming tokens that are about to be listed. Okay, click on this upcoming. Okay, these are tokens that are about to be listed on coin market cap. Okay, like this one, vote, pump fund, AST, Marchain, all of them. Can you see the OpenSea? They are upcoming projects that are about to be listed. So you need to keep an eye on them, watch them. As soon as you get listed, you can put maybe $5 into it. Then when you see like $10, there's extra $5 on top. You can take your profits before they will use it as an exit liquidity. Cryptocurrency industry is meant for smart people and people that are not greedy. If you are greedy, you may lose your capital and your profit at the same time. Are you getting it? All right, let's see the next one. Okay, the next one is recently added. Let's check out this recently added. Click on it. Recently added, you see the ones that are tokens that are recently added to the coin market cap. Look at them. If you scroll down, there are many. Look at this one, SQD. This one is recently added. Look at the recently added token, Degen, Mask, and the rest of them. They are recently added. You can research on any of these tokens and buy and hold. Buy and hold. Once you see a good pumping, you take your profit and move on. Don't be greedy. Control emotion also. The next one is top gainers. This one. Let's click on top gainers. If you click on top gainers, these are tokens that are pumping despite the market is down. They are pumping very, very bad. Okay, can you see this one? Plus 1,134%, 801%, 722%, 570%, 521%, 504, 487%, just like that. Despite the market is down, these are tokens. But I don't encourage you to jump in and buy now. No, if you jump in and buy now, they will use you as an exit liquidity. What you do is this: if you're interested, after your analysis on these tokens or coin, okay, look at Trump own also. It's good to know how to carry out fundamental analysis, or know how to research on tokens to avoid buying a scam token or buying a raw project. Are you getting it? So after carrying out your analysis, if you find any of them good for yourself, you can allow it to go down. Everything is now greenish. Allow it to go down, to drop maybe minus 18% or minus 20%, or just allow it to go down, because after this pumping, definitely the market will go down. After this pumping, it will become bearish. So once it's down, that is the right time to buy. The best time to buy a token or a coin is when that coin is down in price, so that the moment it begins to pump, you'll be on profit. But when you buy a token when it's pumping, after the pumping, it will come down, you'll be at loss, great loss. Are you getting it? Let's proceed. All right, the next one is stop losses. These stop losses, if you click on it, let's click on it. Stop losses. This one is called people, cards, BTB, for, and the rest of it. Okay, now what are the top loss? Top losses are not, it doesn't mean that they are bad project or bad coin or tokens. No, top losses are projects that have pumped. They are pumped massively, like the top gainers. They pump like these ones, top gainers. They now gradually went down. That is what in crypto. As soon as a token or a coin finish pumping, gradually the coin go down in price. So if you are interested in any of those tokens that time, you jump in and buy and hold. Are you getting it? So that is top losers for you. So let's come to trending now. Let's come to this trending and check if you can see anyone. Let's click on this Mapo, okay, and see what is there. Let me click on Mapo. I'm showing you at least I'm showing you 25% way or strategy of carrying out fundamental analysis on any project before buying. I'm showing 25 to, this is coin market cap. Yes, this is 25 to 35% strategy you will deploy while carry out your research before investing on any project. Okay, you want to look at this token or a coin called Mapo and see if it is good for us to buy. Just briefly, I want to just carry out a brief analysis on it. If you want to know, first of all, you check out that project, check out what the community is saying. Click on this community, go through their comment and see what, because if you can go through their comments, majority of them in this community must have bought the token before you, or they'll be able to attest either the token is good or bad. So you check their comments in this section. Though at times some of them talk rubbish, kick against the project, maybe some of them are being paid to talk down on the project, understand. But by the time you see about 5 to 7 comments saying the same thing, this coin will go well or it will not go well. Let's proceed. Click on community. Let's see how good this Mapo project is. Let's see how good it is. What do you click on latest, not top. Don't click on this, click on here, latest, to get latest information about this project. Scroll. Just as expected, the price of Mapo had dropped below $0.00, now trading as $0.006. See, so now what is next on this? We just go down to read people's comment, what people are saying, what are the community saying about this project. Okay, these are people's comments. These are people's comments. You just read. Are you getting it? You keep reading. By the time you go down, you'll be able to see by the time you are getting positive comments about this Mapo, is a sign indication to tell you that Mapo is going to be a good project or a big project. Okay, this is where you get news and the rest of them. So that's then we'll scroll down to check out the blockchain it is built on, whether it's on Ethereum blockchain. You come back to overview. Sorry, click on this overview, click on it, then scroll down. I want to see the blockchain this Mapo is being built upon. I don't want this video to be too long. Oh, hey, I don't want. Look at contract. You see contract, click on this arrow here. Let's know the blockchain it is being built. Can you see? It is built on two blockchain, Ethereum blockchain and BNB blockchain. Can you see it? Yes, it is built on Ethereum blockchain and BNB blockchain. So Ethereum blockchain, their gas fee is too high. Me, I prefer BNB blockchain, where their gas fee is very minimal. Okay, thank you so much, guys. If you find this video helpful, please don't fail to subscribe, to encourage me, comment, like and share. God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye.